Good evening, everybody. Hope you've had a great Wednesday. Welcome to the flock. My name is Ryan Mahoney.
I'm Blake Manhart.
And today we are getting back to insurance.
That's right. I expect the audience to roll in now.
This is what we kind of do every day.
Every day.
But you don't see it as much because we don't post about all the cool things about insurance on our Facebook and Instagram page.
That's right. You want to see pictures of our computer screens all day.
And our radar and all that fun stuff. So we are going to give you guys some tips, suggestions, or just maybe some general thoughts on deductibles today. So there's all kinds of different variations. There's different amounts.
What is it? What is it? What is a deductible?
What is it? You pay your deductible first, a certain amount of money, before the homeowners insurance company will actually pay for your damages.
That's right. Assuming they're covered, of course.
Right? So say, for example, your house burns down or blows away. Do you know how much you will pay first before the insurance company will pay the rest?
Yeah. Typically in this area, it's a flat dollar amount. You might have some percentage deductibles depending on maybe how well you were sold on the idea.
Right.
But in this area, we mostly see $1,000 deductibles.
It's the most common. The price point's usually pretty solid.
Right. You always, I don't know if it ever makes sense, but I always say that, to go to 500 costs you too much, and to go to 2,500 doesn't save you enough. With most companies.
For the vast majority, there's always some exceptions to the rule, right?
Exactly.
So the difference that I see, considering I wrote insurance in Florida for 8.5 years, we still write a little bit now down there, but some of our companies that we work with here, the wind, hail, and hurricane deductible is the same as your fire and theft. So across the board, it could be $1,000. There's other companies we work with that have a fire or all other peril, fire and theft deductible.
Yep.
They have a different wind and hail deductible, and then some will even have a different hurricane deductible.
That's right. The closer you get to the coast, you start to see those different deductibles being separated out in the policies.
It may even say like hurricane or named storm. So basically that deductible is going to come into play if there's like a Matthew or a Gene or something. It has to be a named hurricane. Irma. Yeah. So our suggestion is get your policy out, go to your deductibles, figure out what yours is. The most common loss that we see around here in our Charlotte, Lake Norman area is hail. Which is going to be grouped in with your wind, hail, and hurricane deductibles sometimes.
That's right.
If it's not separated out.
'Tis the season with probably the more volatile storms coming in the shoulder seasons of the summer. You see a lot of hail. In Northern Virginia, they were getting pounded by hail the how many years was I there? The 3 years that I was there. We had lots of hailstorms, whole neighborhoods getting new roofs. It's probably another topic for another time, is the concept of the free roof.
Yeah.
When the hail chasers start knocking on your door.
I didn't pay anything for my roof.
That's right. How do they do that? How do they give me that free roof?
So yeah, check that out. Hail around here is super important. You may have a percentage deductible, which is going to be based on the amount your home is insured for. So check that out. There's no real right or wrong deductible to have. It's just you want to be made aware of it. You just don't want a surprise when it actually has to pay out.
Right, like the worst thing that could happen to you is you find out you've got a $5,000 deductible when you need to make a claim and you got $2,500 in the bank. Not a spot you want to be in.
Yeah. So check it out. Now may be a good time to review it, maybe even change it, and reach out to whoever your agent is. You can reach out to us too.
Yeah.
We'll be glad to look at it for you.
You should have. If you haven't.
Yeah. If it's a $2,500 deductible, see what it costs to do 1,000. It may be worth it on the price point there for you.
Mhm.
Find out if you do have a separate wind, hail, or hurricane deductible, and that way you'll sleep better at night when you start hearing hail slamming on your.
Absolutely. And as always, when you pull out that policy, if you've got a 3,000 square foot house or less, and you're paying over $1,000, it's too much.
Definitely too much.
That's when you call us for sure.
That's right.
We'll fix that right up for you.
Probably lower the deductible and the premium.
That's right. Oh yeah. We like to lower the deductible and the premium.
So there you go, guys. Share this. If you have any questions about deductibles, you can message us. Share this with your friends and family. Talk to them about it. I know you guys talk about insurance with your neighbors.
That's right.
You guys tell us what they're paying.
Memorial Day is coming. Mother's Day. What better conversation to have with mom than insurance?
Deductibles.
What else? Oh, check us out on YouTube.
That's right. The vlog is up.
Subscribe to that.
Subscribe.
Episode 2 in the works.
We're working on it as we speak. It's exciting. We've been golfing a lot.
Notice we lost Michael Blanco today.
He flew back to Texas.
So anybody from Goosehead Corporate that wants to get in on the vlog, let us know, or the live show, I guess. Maybe the vlog too.
Maybe the vlog too. We'll put Blanco in the vlog.
Yeah.
Will Prassis, we're gonna get you on here, Will.
Absolutely. Chase Anderson.
Maybe one of the Colbys.
Oh yeah, the Colby brothers. Maybe we'd get all 3 of them at once. That'd be fun. And dynamic.
I don't know how we'd fit that on the screen, but we'll figure that out.
They'd have to figure that out.
All right, guys. Thank you for joining us. Watch it on the replay. Share it. If you have any questions about deductibles, hit us up. We'll be glad to answer any questions you have. See you tomorrow.